everyone. I know it's been a while since my last video. I've been going through some issues as of late, and it took me a while to finally get back to a place in which I am now able to talk about astronomy since I love astronomy so much. And apparently, I decided to get to the point of making videos again at a good time because NASA recently tested their DART spacecraft, which stands for Double Asteroid Redirection Test. And yes, I'm looking at a website which describes everything, so I can talk about it because I don't pretend to know everything, but I like to talk about astronomy. And this is a very interesting thing. NASA wanted to see if they could redirect asteroids that are heading for Earth. And you've probably seen movies or you're aware of many different ways nuclear bombs, missiles, different types of spacecraft, putting engines on it. But NASA wanted to test something relatively simple. That you take one object that's flying in a direction, you take another object that's flying in a different direction, you smack it into each other, and you redirect it. And apparently the mission was a success. They released images that showed the spacecraft getting closer and closer and closer to the small asteroid called Dimorphos. And if you put it together, it actually looks like a video. You just see it slowly getting closer, and then impact. And I find it relatively fascinating because one, you rarely, if ever, see images of the surface of asteroids. One, outside of scientists, they're not necessarily the most visually appealing. Like you see pictures of Saturn and galaxies, the public gets really excited about those things. But as it relates to the surface of an asteroid, pretty much look like the surface of the moon up close. It's not really exciting. You see objects that are shaped like they would here on Earth in many instances. But for the most part, they aren't visually appealing. So outside of people who are really interested in that aspect of astronomy, it's really not that exciting to them. But it is exciting to me. And because it's exciting to me, I want to let you all know of this very important mission that NASA has executed today, how they were able to line up the spacecraft with the trajectory of the asteroid and smash it into each other. And in the coming months and years, they and other agencies are going to send probes out there to note the crater, note the impact, how the direction of the asteroid has changed. So really, it's a very exciting mission that I am quite pleased that NASA was able to execute well. Because while it seems simple enough, it's a lot of mathematical calculations that NASA has to program into these orbits or these probes that ensures that they're able to hit their target. Because some missions are not as successful. So any mission that is a success, I want to make it a point to acknowledge NASA, and I will attach links to the articles in the comments. I will show images in this video, and I hope you're able to appreciate this type of mission like I am. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more of this type of video. And I will see you again.